All right, today I'm in the shop. While I'm cleaning up my shop, I'm also gonna be working on her engine. I got a lot of her engine parts already pulled apart. I'm gonna pull them over there. I'm gonna start getting them all cleaned up over there. I'm just looking for if any of these parts to her engine is salvageable. Salvageable, 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 salvageable. I just want to see if the parts work. I believe the engine is still savable, so I'm gonna put her stock engine in with some modifications, and hopefully it can run better. So I'm gonna take you over to the parts. And all right, update on Dorothy. Dorothy, we've decided we're gonna go with the 322 cubic inch, the one that she already had in here, the nail head. That one's already been pulled apart, and that's what we're gonna have with this thing. Now she is gonna have more modern upgrades for her, but you'll see all those in the next videos. Dorothy's engine, we are putting the stock one back in, and I started cleaning up a lot of our parts, getting rid of all the rusties, and it's turning out pretty good. So there's a quick update for that one. I don't know if you guys saw these parts beforehand, but they were pretty rusty, and started cleaning them up. It was taking a little bit of time to get these parts, most of this rust off. But you know what I found? I found this. I found this Rust-Oleum rust dissolver, right? It's a gel form. I sprayed it on, and I sprayed it on there and started wiping it up, and it knocked off a lot of that rust. As you can see, I got most of the parts already soaking. We're gonna see what happens when I get them a little bit more cleaner. What I need to do now is I need to get the carburetor off this intake manifold. I really need to get it torn down a little bit more. I need to see if I can save it and see if we can get a rebuild kit. Now this has a coil attached to it. We're not going to be using that coil. We're going to go with something else, some sort of other ignition. I'm not doing this coil. I'm not a huge fan of points. Yeah, that one's seriously not a huge fan of points. So I'm going to pull that up here and see if I can get that carburetor off of there and take it over there to the workbench and see what we can find. All right. Let me go over here. Oh my God, you crusty. All right. Now, let's see if I can get you pulled back up here. Oh. Come on, here we go. Oh, so what are you hung up on? Oh, you're hung up on something. Oh, light fell. Dang it. Now we got no light. I gotta get that light fixed here. There we go. All right, let's get that put back up there so I can see what the heck I'm doing here. Oh, now you don't want to stay. Why? Why are you falling all of a sudden? What the heck is going on here? What the heck is going on? Whatever. Stay like that. Alright. Now, let's see. Oh, come on. Can't the guy just catch a break here? Jeez. Not exactly what I want, but whatever works. Okay. Ooh. Those are some little guys. All right. Shall I return? It's crazy. 11 millimeter. Ain't that weird? Oh, I can put that 11 millimeter down as, where did I ever use a yellow? Where did I ever use one? Oh, right here. Doesn't leave much room to work with, does it? stuff's coming out with it. Alright, that one's off. You gotta be kidding me. Why would you put 3 nuts on there that are the same and one that's not? Ain't that interesting? Now that I got it right here in our faces, I'm going to see if I can get it to operate, clean it up, see if I can get it to operate, because the butterflies ain't opening. So I think she's a little froze. So we're going to try to get her cleaned up and see what we can get with it. Be right back. Be right back. Hey guys, it's Jason or Otter, whatever you want to call me, here at Oddballs, also known as J&J Automotive. Uh, I'm looking for some particular cars, and I got brakes for them. So I'm reaching out to anybody out there that has 1989 Chevy S10 two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, 1982 Celica, 1993 Honda Accord, believe. I think either Civic or Accord. If you guys are curious about how you can get these brakes for free, DM me and let's talk.